Do the dishes or make the dishes? Do the business or make the business? Which one is correct? Let's talk about it. Welcome to my channel, guys. In today's video, I'm dispelling all of your doubts connected with make and do. They are kind of similar, yes, different, but at the same time, so confusing. Aren't they? In today's video, I'll demonstrate to you 20 most common collocations with make and do in real life, because I really do believe that the method of showing, demonstrating and visualization is the best and the fastest to memorize new phrases and words. But let's start with some general rules. When do we use make and when do we use do? So, we use make when we refer to creating something or producing something. For example, I made the cake. So, I created at some point. And on the other hand, we have do. I use do when I refer to some obligations or repetitive actions. Usually it's gonna be connected with some housework. However, not always. So guys, let's keep in mind that these are general rules which don't always work, but I share them with you just to give you an idea. So let's get started with 10 most common collocations with do. Number 1, do the laundry. I need to do the laundry. All of my clothes are so dirty. Do your hair. I'm going to a party tonight. I need to do my hair. Maybe like this? Oh, maybe not really. What do you think about it? So, I was doing my hair. Do the dishes. Honestly saying, I hate doing the dishes. What about you? Do you like doing the dishes? Do nothing. I'm doing absolutely nothing. I love doing nothing after the whole day of hard work. Do the business. Good morning. Yes, I have a really nice offer to you. Do the research. I'm doing the research for my new project. Do the shopping. I ran out of milk. I would like to drink some coffee. I need to go to the grocery store. I'm back. I've just done the shopping. Do homework. I need to do the homework because my English teacher gave me so many exercises. Do exercise. That's gonna be a little bit weird. I'm doing some exercise because I want to stay fit. Do your best. Imagine that someone is doing exercises here, as I was doing a second ago, and I'm a trainer at the gym, and I say, come on, you can do it! Do your best! I know you can do your best! Okay guys, do is already behind our back, now it's time for make. Before we start, let me ask you a question. What makes you happy? Let me know in the comments. Make a mess. I think that I don't need to explain what it means. My house is messy because I made a mess. Make breakfast, lunch or dinner. Usually with food and drinks we're gonna connect make. As I said at the beginning, or actually as a general rule says, we are gonna produce something. So have a look. Okay, I have some bananas, some yogurt, and I also have some kiwi. And here I'm going to have some oatmeal. I'm gonna make breakfast. Make a mistake. Look what I have here. I'm gonna try to cut my hair. Oh! I made a mistake. Make plans. I started making plans for the next vacation. I think I'm gonna take this backpack with me. Make an appointment. Oh my god, I have really bad toothache. I think I need to make an appointment. I'm gonna call my dentist. Hi, I'm calling because I have really bad toothache. Can I make an appointment? For tomorrow? Oh, couldn't be today, please. I'm suffering. Okay, yeah, I get it. Okay, at 6 a.m. Really? Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. Make a noise. Can you stop making that noise, please? Make progress. I love when my students make progress. It's so satisfying and fulfilling. I'm so happy when they make progress. Make a reservation. Listen to this dialogue. Hey, you know what? I feel like going out tonight. Amazing idea! Nice. Do you remember this Italian restaurant that I liked? Can we go there? I remember, it would be awesome to go there. Okay, I'm gonna make a reservation. Hi, I'd like to book a table for 2 for tonight. Is that possible? Okay, perfect. So, yeah, my name is Veronica. At 8:30. Thank you so much. See you! Make a list. For example, a shopping list. Are you going to go to the grocery store? Oh, that's awesome. I'm going to make a list, alright? Because we ran out of milk, so let me write it down. Milk, bread, potatoes. Okay, potatoes and yogurts. But remember to buy me vegan, okay? Vegan yogurts. Here you are. And finally, the last one, guys. Make a payment. I need to make a payment. So I'm going to open my bank app. 3 seconds. Done. I made the payment. Okay, guys, that would be it. Does all of this make sense? I hope it does. Thank you so much for learning English with me. If it was helpful, you can give this video a like, you can subscribe to this channel to support my work, visit my Instagram and TikTok wannaspeakbyveroniq, where I share short videos daily, so you can have daily practice absolutely for free. And don't forget that you can learn English with me one-to-one. I have many exclusive tips for you that I don't share on my social media. Check this out! Would you like to take your English to the next level by having one-to-one meetings with me? I've created something especially for you. My 8 weeks program is going to change your life. You are going to sound natural, learn English in funny, creative way, using examples taken from real life. What's more, you are going to forget about memorizing boring grammar rules. So, if you wish to start exploring the world with the practical knowledge of English, the link is in the description down below. Lots of love and hope to see you soon. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye!